Hello Ledge Dogs, this is Future Dan with a haircut. Oh my goodness. In the future, this haircut it's pretty cool. Anyway, this video is a little bit different because the first part is a bit of work, a bit of electrical work, and the second part's a gym. Hit a sick bench PB, the best PB of my whole life. And then did some deads. Bye!
Ooh, money shot? Yep.
Woo! So that'll go in this chase, and then when the cabinetry goes in, we'll drill through the kickers and bring it up in the cabinets where they need to come up, and that's bloody how you do it. Goodbye. Morning, Ledge Dogs. I'm Dan Pence. I'm here with Rob. Hi, say hi, Rob.
Hello.
We're having pre-workout before the gym because we're gonna go lift big and good things. Both my elbows cracked, I reckon.
Come on, push it. Nice.
Leg up. Now the deads weren't feeling overly great today. They felt really heavy. I think because I went for my PB 4 days ago, it just felt hard. And watching my technique, I can tell I felt a bit loose. We finished with some pull-ups. The exercise that conquers the inner bitch because they're so hard. Do these. If you don't do them, incorporate into your training. Do it now. And then go take videos of yourself in a mirror. But yeah, I had a couple drinks last night. Feeling a little dry today. Dry as in dehydrated dry, but I don't know. The past couple of days too have been higher calorie, so. But I think I'm looking better after a week. Abs maybe jumping out a little bit more. And we're a lot lighter today. I think I'm dehydrated. Thanks, bye, Ledge Dogs.